Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 111 of Building Ecto-1. It's been going a while, and it's got a while to go. I think there's 140 issues in this part. So this is what we've got today. We've got basically what we did a few issues back, but having learnt from that one, I'm going to do things a little bit differently this time. So yeah, we've got the trim to put onto the red bit, and this to fit onto there. But what I'm actually going to do, I've already unplugged the bulb. So the first thing I'm going to do is fit the bulb into here, because that was a pain to do with it attached. I ended up taking it back out and taking it apart again to attach that last time. So I'm going to attach this time before I attach it. And I'll do the same on the other one when that gets, I think next issue, when that comes in. So that needs to go into there, a little bit further than that, indeed. That's gone in there nice and securely. So that's ready for the bulb. Then we can fit this onto there from that side like that. Yeah, goes in there. That was insecurely, and it wasn't. So yes, even worse than I feared. Yeah, I'm very glad I'm doing this bit before attaching it. Right, let me get that in there, and then we'll see about coming back and getting the rest of it put together.